Question number 2. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. That is, you have to check whether it is 1 to 1 or 2. F is from n to n. So natural numbers. And f of x is equal to, the function is given as x square. So how do you prove is this 1 to 1? So what do? The set of natural numbers. So it is from set of natural numbers to natural numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. So if you square, if you take 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. So it goes like this. So it is very clear that it is 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is very clear. You can draw the diagram and check. 3 square is 9. We cannot have 3 square is plus or minus 9. No. So it is 1 to 1. The function is 1 to 1. And it is very clear it is not onto. Why it is not onto? Means the range is not equal to the codomain. Range is 1, all the square numbers, 1, 4, 9, 16, all the square numbers will be the range, and the codomain is the set of natural numbers. So it is, they are not equal. Codomain is not equal to the range, therefore it is not onto. So we know that it is not onto. Let us prove it using the algorithm or the definition. So take, that is, let x1, x2 belongs to the set of natural numbers. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that means x1 square is equal to x2 square. So now we can bring it here, this side, x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. So x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2 equal to 0. So x1 is equal to x2, x1 is equal to minus x2. This is ruled out. This is not applicable because we have taken x1, x2 are natural numbers. So this possibility is not there at all. We have taken only natural numbers. So we have proved that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the function is 1 to 1. Now we'll prove it is not onto. So the function is 1 to 1. Now let us check whether it is onto. So to check it is onto, you write that whatever is given, f of x, change it to y. F of x is equal to x square. Write y as x square. And as I told you, you have to find x now. So x square is equal to y. X is equal to plus or minus root of y. X square is y, right? So now, is this a set of natural number? Suppose if you take root of 4, you will get, suppose your y is, take a natural number from this, any natural number 4. So root of 4, okay. But you take y as 3. So x is equal to, see x is equal to, you can take as plus itself because we need only natural numbers. Y is equal to 3. What is x? Root of 3. Isn't it? According to this, x is equal to root of 3. Is root 3 a natural number? No. You write the function, write in terms of x. Only then we can check. Write in terms of x and check if that x belongs to that domain. First check that. One example you give it. Y is equal to 3 you take. X is equal to root 3 is not a natural number. So that means it's very clear some elements are left out. Some elements we are not able to find the pre-image. Some elements are left out. So x is equal to that. You just write here the range is not equal to the codomain. Just write that. Range is not equal to the codomain, therefore the function is not onto. The second part of the question, f is equal to, f is from z to z. Same question. You have to prove, you have to check whether it is injective or not. So but the domain, codomain changed. The function is the same. F of x is from z to z. So it is now from z to z. So z to z function f of x is x square itself. It is x square. Now tell me if it is 1 to 1. Minus 1 if you square, you will get 1. Plus 1 you square, 1. Can you see that? Plus 2 you square, you get 4. Minus 2 also will give you 4. So it is very clear it is not 1 to 1. Not 1 to 1. So let us prove it now. So it is not 1 to 1. It is not on to also, you know. Let x1, x2 belongs to z. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that means x1 square is equal to x2 square. So that means you can write x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. So you get x1 minus x2, x1 plus x2 is 0. So you get x1 is two answers you're getting, x2 and it is minus x2 also. But what is the definition? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, x1 should be equal to x2. So you're getting two answers. That is, for example, f of minus 1 and you take f of 1. According to the definition, f of minus 1 is f of x is x square. So f of minus 1 will be minus 1 square is 1. You take minus 2 then. Okay, it will be easy for you to understand. So take it as minus 2. So f of minus 2 will be 4 by the definition. F of 2 is also 4. So we got f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but minus 2 is not equal to plus 2. That means f of x1 is 4, f of x2 is 4, but x1 is not equal to x2. So x1 is not equal to x2. You cannot have x1 is equal to or. That or should not be there. So therefore the function is not 1 to 1. So you have to give one example here, and one example is enough to disprove it. Now on to prove it is not on to. So follow the same algorithm I taught you. That is, you just write f of x is equal to x square. Always write that. Then you convert it into y. Put y is equal to x square. Now we have to find x. So x square is y. X is equal to root of y plus or minus root. So this does not belong to. So for example, so x is equal to root y. Give one example. Put y is 3 or something. Root of 3 is not an integer. So not onto.